Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at the question 2966, that is divide array into arrays with max difference. You are given an integer array nums of size n, where n is a multiple of 3 and a positive integer k. Divide the array nums into n by 3 arrays of size 3, satisfying the following condition. Okay, the difference between any two elements is 1 in one array is less than or equal to k. Return a 2D array containing the arrays if it is possible to satisfy the condition, else return an empty array. And if there are multiple arrays, return any of them. Okay, so let's start with the basic approach. We can sort the array that is provided. Nums.begin, oh my god, nums.begin, comma nums.end. Now that we have our array sorted, let's initialize few variables, or we can just directly do that in our array. Int itr equals to 0 for iterating, then we can initialize the size, nums.size, and itr less than size, and itr plus equals to 3, because we will be iterating in triplets. Now let's check a few conditions. Okay, we have to make a variable, a vector that we will be returning as an answer. Vector int answer, and return our vector. Now that we have done that, let's just check. Okay, what we have to check, if nums itr plus 2 minus nums itr, okay, the extreme values, that is 0th index, and 0 plus 1, that is the third index, or we can say second index. Yeah, so we will be checking the value if nums itr plus 2 minus this is less than or equal to k. Answer dot push underscore back. What we are going to push is nums itr, comma nums itr plus 1, comma nums itr plus 2. Yeah, that's it. This is our main condition. Now what the question demands us to do is, if it is possible to return it, if it is impossible to satisfy the condition, return an empty array. So simply return an empty array. Oh, okay, we forgot to make this a vector, because it's a vector, so we have to make it a vector. Yeah, let's try run this for once. Okay, we have a vector 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 8 comma 7 comma 9 comma, what we have here is 3 comma 5 comma 1. This is a vector. Now we are going to sort it, and it's going to be 1 comma 1 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, let's look at the first triplet, that is 1 comma 1 comma 3, and just to make it easy, let's create another vector, that is answer. Here we will be storing our values. Okay, first we check the 0th index, that is 1, and the 0 plus 1, that is 3. So 3 minus 1, it's 2, less than equal to, satisfied. So here we push 1 comma 1 comma 3. Now we go forward with our second index, that is 3 4 5. Let's pick these and push here. Okay, 3 4 5, 5 minus 3, yeah, extreme value satisfied because the difference is 2. So we push it 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now let's go with the second part, that is 7 comma 8 comma 9. Again, 9 minus 7 is 2, less than equal to k. Yeah, satisfied. So we push it as 7 comma 8 comma 9, and done. Our array is finished. So the answer should be 1 comma 1 comma 3, 3 comma 4 comma 5, and 7 comma 8 comma 9. Exactly the same. Let's use a test case that doesn't satisfy the condition. 2 comma 4 comma 2 comma 2 comma 5 comma 2. Now first we sort the array, that is we have 4 2s and a 4 and a 5, and our k value is 2. So the first triplet that we will be forming is 2 comma 2 comma 2. The difference is 0, it will satisfy the condition. Yeah, another triplet will be 2 comma 4 comma 5. 5 minus 2 will be 3, which is greater than k, so the answer will be an empty array. Yeah, let's try to submit this now. Okay, I'll be posting the solution in the description. Thank you.